ever seen a moist kielbasa? In the flesh. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Rish, and we're back again with more content, with more maintenance, and same old, because it never stops. I'm doing my intermediate shaft. As you can tell, I bought a Honda OEM, genuine OEM one, and yeah, that was almost 300 beans for a fucking OEM one. For this small ass intermediate shaft, it's 300 beans. Like, that is wild. That is insane. But I'm tired of the problems because I put in junkyard one. It was good for a couple days. Now it's shit again. So yeah, I'm just buying OEM parts with ones that I need it to be. Same thing with my axles go again. I have junkyard OEM ones, but if they go, I'm buying new ones. I don't care. I don't care anymore. Honestly, I've dumped so much money into this car that why stop now, you know? Fuck it. Yeah, I'm trying to make it run good. But yeah, guys, it's not gonna really be much of a DIY. It's kind of like more just like a vlog and see me do the car work and all that. But nonetheless, I hope you guys enjoy the video. As always, we're at like 130 videos now and climbing. We just hit 1.1k subscribers. We're at like actually 1,111 when I checked this morning. So 1111. But yeah, thank you guys so much for the support. At 2k, I'll do another giveaway. Drop your likes, you know, comments, tell me what you want to see.
Oh my god, it's the Mad Beans.
It's the weekend, it's Friday. We're having our pop-up meet and shoot tomorrow. Alright guys, so got everything almost off. Just gotta bang out the ball joint. It should just pop out, hoping for the best. Easy peasy, just take that out, go under there, swap that one out, and put it back in. Shouldn't be too bad. Let's get it done.
Jack this baby up and we'll
Alright guys, so I don't know why, but I'm having a little issue of popping out the ball joint. I usually bang it and it pops right out. But I've been banging the shit out of it, someone else banging the shit out of it, and it's not coming out as I intended to, so I'm taking out the force bolt and hopefully release some pressure and it just pops out after.
What's up, guys? So this job, I'm gonna tell you guys firsthand, it's a lot easier if you do it on the lift. This is some bullshit. Don't do it. Honestly, it's not fun. I'm not gonna do it again on the floor because that. I'm cracking the last bolt up top. Intermediate shaft bolts are kind of a bitch. At least the two bottom ones are a bitch to like angle and get there. But get this done, guys. Woo!
Time. Look how this is. This shit wobbles like a motherfucker. It's not supposed to be this free, guys. Brand new OEM, guys. That was OEM too, but clearly ain't f***ing last long. And look how it stops. Like one spin and it stops. Compared to keeps going, and like you can feel the whole thing like shift and wobble. With this, it's not a goddamn movement, guys. Like you don't feel it going like crazy. So yeah, it's not really a common problem in the TSXs, but it's possible. So I've been chasing the problem. I've never changed my intermediate shaft, and I've done axles like a bunch of damn times, and I finally replaced them with OEM axles, not new, junkyard half shaft, and it was good. Like the car stopped shaking, it felt smooth for like 3-4 days, then shaking started again. Became a parking lot warrior. So or parking space warrior, I should say, because yeah, it's not daily anymore, but I'm trying to make it, so hoping for the best. But yeah, new OEM looks so badass. Oh. This was freshly glass beaded. Touching with my dirty ass hands. Glass beaded, looks like OEM, like new. It's ported. It was a shitty port job in the beginning. It was like hacked by hand and whatever, and I got it to get smoothened out from the machine shop. Shout out my homie John Paul. That is my J35 throttle body, and yeah, hopefully more just wampage and just throttle just screaming and more top. Yeah, wampage. Top end is definitely gonna be, you know, swinging harder because it's the RBC. I got an RBB in it. I got the 06 08 manifold and throttle body. It's a little improvement from the 04 to the 05, but RBC and the RRC are the top. RRC is the best because it's like all around power, but RBC is top end, and yeah, RRC is just expensive. Maybe in the future, who knows, guys? Yeah, I just want to update you guys on parts and whatever. Got a bunch of like little things like the O-rings for the injectors, because you need to pop out the injectors and you do the manifold, so that's that. I have a lot more parts, guys. Alright guys, make sure you have it in like this. Make sure you hold this up while you put it in, because if you put it in and this is down, you gotta take it right back the fuck out, because you won't be able to spin it.
There we go. Here's one.
Update, we got the half shaft in, I'm tightening the bolts. I was wrong. All the bolts are 14 mil. I don't know how I got the other two off with a 15. Like, the was, I don't know. All three are 14s. Just so you know, everything's going back smoothly so far. So you guys can tell that was my issue with how freely that shit was spinning. Woo! Almost there.